What are the most effective ways to increase sales using PPC? Iterate quickly. That's the first advice I would give you. Iterate very quickly when it comes down to generating data to see what works and what does not. And I know that this is not the latest hack, the latest tip, latest trick, but this is something that we've seen working successfully, and I personally seen working successfully for the past 5 years since I've been touching my first PPC ad. That is one of the ways how you can increase sales effectively. Test so you can pause quickly in case that it's not working. Second thing is going to be never run out of stock. I know this is something that most people are not even thinking of. Right now, to be upfront with you, we actually had a few combos with one of the brands that we're managing. We've been managing their ads for 3 years, 4 years right now, so they're amazing. And we absolutely love working with them. Having a strong operator, it's just so amazing when it comes down to bigger brands. But what we're seeing so far is that they're always, because Amazon is just only the one channel they are selling on. And if we don't have inventory, what to sell, we cannot strategize for more than, 5 to 10% increase in sales, and then they are running out of inventories. If inventory is not figured out properly, no matter how good the strategies is behind, no matter how good is the operator behind, no matter how much money do you spend in ads, what we've seen, literally because this business, it's highly dependent on inventory. It's just going to be, that's the bottleneck. Inventory is one of the things that if you're going to apply it correctly, increase sales using PPC,